Addiction isn't a battle of willpower, it's a war for your environment, mindset, and habits. If you think quitting is just about not wanting it, you're missing the entire game. Stick around, I'm about to break down 5 pillars that can literally change your life. Quitting addiction, whether it's porn, drugs, or any destructive habit, is not just about fighting urges. It's about rebuilding your entire world, starting with these 5 pillars. Your surroundings shape your habits more than you realize. Imagine a man trying to lose weight, but keeping junk food on his kitchen table. He's stacking the deck against himself. Same with addiction. The triggers in your environment pull you back in. One guy I know completely changed his life by throwing out his phone from the bedroom and creating a clean, distraction-free space. Suddenly his cravings lost their power. The lesson? You have to be ruthless with your environment, remove anything that feeds your addiction, and replace it with reminders of your goals. The war is in your mind. Most people think, I'm weak, or I'll never change. That's exactly what addiction wants you to believe. Your brain is plastic. You can rewire your thoughts by changing your inner dialogue. Catch every negative thought and challenge it. Swap I can't for I'm learning. Mental discipline is the backbone of real change. Here's a story you need to know. Scientists placed rats in isolation with 2 water bottles, one clean, one drugged. Alone, the rats chose the drugged water and overdosed. Then they created Rat Park, a cage full of toys, tunnels, and other rats. Same 2 bottles, but this time, the rats chose the clean water. Why?
What if addiction isn't about your chemical hooks? What if addiction is about your cage? What if addiction is an adaptation to your environment? Looking at this, there was another professor called Peter Cohen in the Netherlands who said, maybe we shouldn't even call it addiction. Maybe we should call it bonding. Human beings have a natural and innate need to bond. And when we're happy and healthy, we'll bond and connect with each other.
Your Rat Park is your life filled with connection, goals, and meaningful activity. Without that, addiction will always win. Discipline isn't about massive overnight change, it's about stacking small wins every day. If you try to quit cold turkey without a plan, you're setting yourself up for failure. Build tiny habits, replace bad ones with good ones, even if it's just 1 minute of meditation or journaling. These small actions compound into unstoppable momentum. You can't do this alone. Isolation is the enemy of progress. Surround yourself with people who hold you accountable, celebrate your wins, and call you out when you slip. This could be friends, mentors, or online communities. Accountability isn't a crutch, it's a catalyst for transformation. Quitting addiction isn't magic, it's science, mindset, and action combined. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being better than you were yesterday. If this spoke to you, smash that like button, comment your biggest pillar challenge, and subscribe to Displinity for real talk on leveling up every day. Let's get after it.